Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Auto. So I've just bought a new EV, this time a two-wheeled one. This is my first e-bike. It's a GoCycle GX folding electric bike. It's a serious bit of kit, very impressive. Bought it for my own use. Actually, I'm going to primarily use it for when I take cars for MOTs, rather than hanging around at the MOT station. I can get on the bike and whiz back to the unit. And also, if I'm delivering cars locally, rather than putting bikes on the truck, I could whiz back on the bike again. And the reason why I bought this particular bike is because it folds up so small, so I can chuck it in the boot of a car. And crucially, which is why I bought this particular brand of bike, is because the chain is completely enclosed. So when you're sticking it in the boot of a car, you've got no oily chain that's going to get oil on the carpet, or indeed yourself when you're taking it in and out. These are an expensive piece of kit though, but as always in life, you get what you pay for. These are a bit like the Tesla of the e-bike world. Primarily I got it because of obviously that enclosed chain. They fold up incredibly well, but you have a mono fork on both sides, and because of that, if you get a puncture, you don't have to take the wheel off. You can just probably repair the puncture where it is, but anyway, you could get the tyre and tube off of this side. So yeah, quite impressive. Disc brakes all round, battery pack in the frame, even has folding pedals there, so when you're loading it up, it really does fold down nicely. I bought the white and black combination because it matches my Urge helmet, and folded up, it even fits in the boot of a Bmw i3, which has one of the smallest boots of any electric car. Thinking about it, these GoCycle e-bikes, they're not the Tesla of e-bikes, they're the Bmw i3 of e-bikes, because of the clever design and the use of modern materials like the injected magnesium wheels. So there we go, my new electric vehicle. Initial thoughts are I'm very impressed with the engineering of it, which is why I bought it, to be honest. But I'll do a proper video in about a month's time when I've had a good chance to use it more. I've actually got to get 3 vehicles MOT'd next week, so I will whiz backwards and forwards between the MOT station and work, which is about 5 miles each way, so it will give it a good chance to use it in winter weather as well. So yeah, more videos to come soon.